Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to permanently disable the live photos on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 software. So let's get started. Now guys, if you don't want to take live photos, you might find yourself every time you launch the camera app, the live photo is active. So when you exit the camera app and then later come on and try to launch it again, you might notice the live photos is enabled again. So if you want to permanently disable the live photos so that you never accidentally take a live photo when you don't intend it to, then you can open up the setting. Under settings, go to camera. On that, under camera, go to preserve setting. Tap on that and then scroll all the way down at the bottom and you should see the live photos. So when you enable that, you are basically telling your iPhone to preserve the live photo settings that you make. Now enable that, and when you go back to the camera app and whether you enable or disable the live photo, it's going to preserve that setting. For example, if I disable it from there, now every time you launch the camera app, you never have automatically enabled live photos. It always going to be disabled because it's preserving the setting like you did. So guys, that is basically how to permanently turn off or permanently disable live photos on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other iPhone which is running with the latest iOS 26 update. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.